hurt in a trucking accident in Florida, don't make the mistake that could cost you your entire case. Hi, I'm David Shiner with the Shiner Law Group. And if you or somebody that you love has been injured in a crash involving a semi-truck, a tractor trailer, or an 18-wheeler, the steps you take right now could determine your future. Step 1, make sure everyone is safe. Move away from traffic if you can. And then call 911 immediately, even if the injuries seem minor. You'll need a police report and a medical report to support your case. Step 2, document everything. Take photos of the crash, skid marks, vehicle damage, your injuries, road signs in the surrounding area. Get contact information from any witnesses. They certainly could be crucial later to your case. And here's what you should not do. This is very important. Don't do this. Don't admit fault. Don't talk about the accident with the truck driver or witnesses or the insurance companies. Anything that you say could be used against you. You've heard that saying in court before. It's true. And before you speak to any insurance adjuster, speak to someone who understands the trucking accident laws here in Florida. At Shiner Law Group, we stand up to powerful trucking companies and fight for victims just like you and your family. Call us today for a free consultation. We'll take it from here so you can focus on the healing and getting better.